Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Tap the button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, enter voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen and make sure that this function is also enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.